Taoiseach, we're into our 7th year since the government decided to bring in a policy at the end of December 18, a very good policy to stop the trawlers over 18 metres fishing in the 6-mile limit. And a significant part of that policy was to stop the unsustainable fishing for sprat. Now this is our 7th year. Unfortunately, because of the government or the department's failure to carry out the consultation process properly, the policy was held void, and we've been promised by the previous minister and the government that another policy was imminent and would be rolled out. It is absolutely unacceptable and unsustainable that they're still fishing unsustainably and taking out the sprat.
First of all, I think the High Court action is my understanding.
We're finished that. Yep.
I know, but it's not the government's fault that we lost. Okay, the previous government had decided. No, you can.
Okay. Just when will the policy? It's a brilliant policy. When will it be rolled out?
I agree with the policy. I 100% agree with the policy.
We are out of time.
But I was just going to make the point that because of the High Court decision, the government, the department said it had to be exhaustive in terms of the second consultation to make sure it wouldn't fall foul of another court decision in the time ahead if someone challenges that. And it was concluded in the summer last. The consultation is over now. So my view now is we need to move ahead.
Thank you.
And get this done.
Thank you, Taoiseach.
I'll come back to you on that.